write and solve an equation for this sentence. One of the things that, well, you might like it or not like it. It all depends on how you feel about this situation. But I always have more material than we could ever get to in class. So we might be on problem 1 or 2 of the problem we wouldn't have got to in class, but it could only be good to do extra practice, right? Okay. On the plus side, if you're finding this easy, you may get to the end sooner than others, and possibly even sooner than you would in a regular class where we were going at the pace that was best for the group. And so I hope you'll see the pluses and minuses of this scenario. Write and solve an equation for this sentence. 5 times a number. What number? I don't know, so I'm going to call it n. Added to 6 is equals. Is 15 less than twice that number? There's my n again. So 5 times a number, added to 6 is, here's where you can get in trouble. 15 less than twice the number is not 15 minus 2n. 15 less than twice the number means you have twice the number, and you have 15 less than that. So it doesn't always go in the order that we know with subtraction the order matters, but if it's 15 less than 2n, you have to start with the 2n and subtract 15. And then from there, it's like the problems we've been doing. I'm going to take 2n away from both sides, so I can just get a variable term on one side of the equation. Don't forget that when this variable term goes away, I still have negative 15 on this side of the equation, because yes, I was subtracting 15, but that's the same as adding negative 15. So we still have negative 15 on the right side of the equation. On the left side, we have 3n plus 6. Then I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21. Equals 3n. Divide by 3, and you get n is negative 7. And we check our work always. Five multiplied by negative 7 plus 6, we hope, is equal to 2 times negative 7 minus 15. I have negative 35 plus 6 is equal to negative 14 minus 15. Negative 35 plus 6 is negative 29. And negative 14 minus 15 is the same as negative 14 plus the opposite of 15, or negative 15, aka negative 29. And so, success. I believe that ends our lesson. Let's see. Yes, it does. Now, I have no idea how this is going to go. I hope well. Will you please comment on the discussion board and tell me if it went well, not well, oh, somewhere in between? Give me your feedback so I can make it better next time. But to be honest, I'm pretty sure I'm going to roll out all 4 lessons for this week before I ever get your feedback, but I still want your feedback. Anyway, you got to get on the discussion board and say something so I know you did this. And then do your best on the assignment like you always do. You don't have to print it. Pull it up on the screen, work on scratch paper, number each problem so you know which is which, and then I'll show you how we're going to grade it on tomorrow's lesson. Let's see. You're dismissed. Bye.